so today I'm back with another video. It's going to be a hair video today. It's a very simple hair video though. So the brand I'm going to be using is Dsoar hair. They sent me over a 22-inch bundle and two 24-inch bundles with a 20-inch closure. Now I did not use all of my hair. I do plan on using all of it in a future video, and I definitely didn't use my closure. I decided that I wanted to try something different, and I wanted to try some clip-ins. So I'm going to show you guys how I made them. It's very quick, easy, and simple, and it's still very natural looking if the hair does blend with your hair texture. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do these clips. It's so easy. All I'm doing is getting the clip, and I'm making sure that the gold little embellishment, the whole thing, is facing the rest of the tracks. I'm going to thread my needle. This needle was a little big for these holes, but I got it through. It was a little hard, but you pull it through. And of course I have a hole at the end, so it's going to hold it there. I go through that same hole about 3 times, and I literally just go over to the opposite side right here of the clip, and I do the exact same thing. It's so easy. I just thread through it a couple times. This can get a little messy. At the end I do like chop off the little extra hairs that were in the way, because I really get bothered by messiness. So yeah, I'm just gonna make my knot at the end. All I did was just twist around the string against the needle, and then I'm just gonna pull it, and when I'm pulling it, it's what's gonna create the knot. I do that about 2 times. So I'm going to make that knot, and then I'm going to go into the hole again, and then I am going to make another knot. Then I'm just going to chop it off, and we're done with that. And I'm going to do it on the other side of these tracks, okay? And I did 6 total, and I measured across my head. At this point I was doing my smaller ones for the front. I started small in the center of my head. I got bigger, and then I made 2 smaller clip-ins, 2 smaller tracks for the front of my head, because I didn't want it to look, I wanted everything to blend, and I didn't want you to notice too much of the length difference, so that's why I put them in the front. And yeah, okay, so here I'm just showing you guys exactly how I did measure how long I wanted my clip-ins to be, because I only made 6. I think with curly hair it's easy to get away with not using as much hair, just because it does take up a lot more space. You know, flat straight hair, you're gonna need more hair. So I'm just showing you guys basically how I did measure, because I'm not about to measure my head. I just literally put parts of my hair where I knew I was going to insert my clip set, and I just seen exactly how long I needed to make my tracks. So yeah, after I did this is when I did go ahead and make my clips, but I just still wanted to show y'all how I did measure how long I made them. So yeah, this is just my first bundle that I used, and I'm just showing you how I just measured from side to side. And then I did that throughout my whole head, and that was it, y'all. You won't get me, it's just how I behave. Okay, so for the rest of this video, I'm literally inserting my clips the exact same way that I did when I parted off and seeing how long I needed to make them. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip them in. I can't talk today. I'm gonna go ahead and clip those in. And while we're doing that, I'm just going to tell you guys, this really was some of the best quality hair I've ever had. Like I said earlier, I really don't know if it's because of it being so curly. Like, it blended so good with my hair. It was so beautiful. This is my go-to hair now. I can't wait to use the rest of it for future styles and future colors. I'm really, really, really excited. I'm really thankful for Dsoar hair. I can't say the name, but I'm really, really grateful for them sending me this hair. It's beautiful. I'm definitely going to be using this so much. So, yes. Okay, you guys, and this is the finished product. I hope you guys liked it. If you aren't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.